morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are fine and safe at home. Have you completed the notes of the previous chapter, matter? Okay, good. Today we are going to start a new chapter in science. Chapter 5, Safety First. Chapter 5, Safety First. Have you ever got hurt? How did it happen? Yes, some of the situations can be, first one, while playing, you may fall down and get hurt. Then, playing with the sharp objects like blade, knife, etc. Another situation can be by bumping into the furniture. Then, another one, by playing with the fire. Then, climbing on the desk or benches in the classroom. Then the next situation, falling from the staircase. Then, slipping in the bathroom. So, etc. are some of the situations. Okay. Such an unpleasant event that happens unexpectedly and causes injury is called an accident. That is an unpleasant event that happens unexpectedly and causes injury is called an accident. So, what is an accident? An unpleasant event that happens unexpectedly and causes injury is called an accident. Accident. A-C-C-I-D-E-N-T. Accident. Okay. These accidents cause pain and suffering. So, accidents cause pain and suffering. They occur when someone is in a hurry or careless. So, accidents occur when someone is in a hurry or careless. So, accidents can be avoided by following the safety rules. So, we can avoid the accident by following some safety rules. So, in this chapter, we are going to study about some of the safety rules to be followed at home, swimming pool, at school, on the playground or on the road. So, in this chapter, we are going to study about some of the safety rules to be followed at home, school, swimming pool, on the playground or on the road. So first let us study about the safety rules at home. So first, the safety rules at home. So safety rules at home. What are the safety rules to be followed at home? Do you have any idea? Yes, let us study one by one. First, safety at home. Do not run in the house. Do not run in the house. You might fall down and get hurt. So, do not run in the house. You might fall down and get hurt. Then, the second one is, do not take medicines without any adults or doctor's advice. So, you do not take any medicine without your father's or mother's advice. Okay? Never open the door for strangers. Do not take any eatables, that is, food items like chocolates, from strangers. So I repeat, safety rules at home. First one, do not run in the house. You might fall down and get hurt. Then the next one is, do not take medicines without any adults or doctor's advice. Then next one, never open the door for strangers. Do not take any eatables, that is, food items like chocolates, from strangers. Then the next is safety in the kitchen. Safety in the kitchen. First is, do not try to light the gas stove in the absence of any adult. Do not try to light the gas stove in the absence of any adult. Then next is, in case of a gas leakage, open the doors and windows to let the gas out. In case of a gas leakage, open the doors and windows to let the gas out. Do not operate any electrical appliances and do not light the fire in case of gas leakage. Do not operate any electric appliances and do not light the fire in case of gas leakage. Okay? So, safety rules to be followed in the kitchen. Do not try to light the gas stove. Do not try to light the gas stove in the absence of any adult. Then, next one, in case of a gas leakage, open the doors and windows to let the gas out. Do not operate any electric appliances and do not light the fire in case of gas leakage. Okay. Next is safety in the bathroom. Keep the bathroom floor dry. Never leave soap and shampoo on the floor. Someone may slip on the wet floor. So, safety in the bathroom. Keep the bathroom floor dry. Never leave soap and shampoo on the floor. Someone may slip on the wet floor. Then, next is safety while handling electrical appliances. Safety while handling electrical appliances. Safety while handling electrical appliances. So, do not touch electrical switches and wires. Do not touch electric switches and wires with wet hands. Then, you may get an electric shock. Do not touch electric switches and wires with wet hands. You may get an electric shock. If a person gets an electric shock, immediately switch off the main switch. So, do not touch electric switches and wires with wet hands. You may get an electric shock. If a person gets an electric shock, immediately switch off the mains. Okay. Then the next is safety at school. Safety at school. Do not run up or down the stairs. Do not run up or down the stairs. You may fall down and cause injury to yourself and others. Then, do not climb on desks or benches. Do not climb on desks or benches. You might fall down. Then, do not lean on or slide down the banisters. Do not lean on or slide down the banisters. Banisters means handrails present at the side of the staircase. Banister means handrails present at the side of the staircase. Kaivari, staircase in it. Okay? So, safety at school. Do not run up or down the stairs. Then, next, do not climb on desks or benches. Do not climb on desks or benches. Then, do not lean on or slide down the banisters. Do not lean on or slide down the banisters. Then the next is safety on the playground and in the swimming pool. Safety on the playground. Safety on the playground. playground and in the swimming pool. First one, do not fight while playing. Do not fight while playing. Follow the rules of the game. Follow the rules of the game. Then, do not play rough games at the playground or at the swimming pool. Do not play rough games at the playground or at the swimming pool. Also, do not play with the sharp and pointed objects. Also, do not play with the sharp and pointed objects. Then, always swim in the presence of an adult. Always swim in the presence of an adult. Okay? Then the last is safety on the road. Safety on the road. Always walk on the footpath. Always walk on the footpath. If there is no footpath, walk on the right side of the road. If there is no footpath, walk on the right side of the road, so that you can see the traffic coming, so that you can see the vehicles coming. So always walk on the footpath. If there is no footpath, walk on the right side of the road. Then next, always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Then, have you seen the traffic light on the road? Yes. How many colors are there? Yes, there are 3 colors. Which are they? Red, yellow and green. Yes, red, yellow and green. What does the red color indicate? Red light indicate? Yes, the red light says to stop. The red light says stop. Then, what does the yellow light indicate? The yellow light says wait. The yellow light says wait. Then, what does the green light says? Yes, the green light says go. The green light says go. So, always follow the traffic lights. Always follow the traffic light. Then, do not play or run on the road. Do not play or run on the road. Okay?
Hello, friends. Today, we'll learn about the safety rules. It's very important to know the safety rules. Staying away from danger is called safety. It's the state of being safe. There are many ways in which we can be injured or harmed if we're not careful. We should always try our best to live safely and follow all of the safety rules. The safety rules should be followed at home, at school, on the road, and actually, they should be followed everywhere. Let's learn about them today. Safety at home. We should be careful at home. Do not play with things like scissors, blades, knives, switches and wires, medicines, matchsticks, or fire. These can be extremely harmful for us. For example, if you play with scissors, you might get cut. And playing with fire is dangerous. You may burn yourself, or your house may even catch fire. Do not touch electrical equipment like switches and wires, hot irons, the oven, computers, music players, toasters, and other electrical items with wet hands. It may give you an electric shock. Do not go near the stove or touch the hot pans and boiling water. You may burn yourself. Keep your toys, bags, shoes, and other items in place. You or anyone else could fall over them. Be careful. Never open the door for strangers. They may harm you. While most people are good, there are some people who are not and do not keep kids safe. Don't be tempted by people you don't know. Now, we'll learn some safety tips for school and outside. Always throw the waste in the dustbin, buddy. Littering by throwing waste here and there pollutes the land and makes it unsafe. It poses a big health threat to animals and humans. We should always walk in a queue, wait for your turn, and do not push anyone. Do not ever leave your school or go anywhere with a stranger. Do not eat anything given to you by a stranger. It may be harmful for you. Remember to inform your teacher or school security if you see someone suspicious. Be careful on stairs. Do not push anyone or run and jump on the stairs. You may hurt yourself or others. When you're on the playground, always wait for your turn on the swings. Very good. Now
So let us conclude. Today we have learned the safety rules that we should follow at home, in the kitchen, in the bathroom, at school, in the swimming pool, on the playground and on the road. So today we have learned the safety rules that we should follow at home, in the kitchen, in the bathroom, at school, in the swimming pool, on the playground and on the road. So read the chapter 3 times and learn the safety rules. Okay, thank you.